Hey, good morning everyone. Look at the sentences Abhishek uses to tell about things that belongs to his friends. This is Nikki's cat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Tom's hat. This is Natasha's skirt. Abhishek uses a special sign apostrophe S to talk about these things. This is called an apostrophe and S. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. We add an apostrophe S to the noun to show ownership. So as I've already introduced you to the word possessive, ownership, let me tell you the exact meaning of possession. So what you have to do first, take out your Grammar Connect book and open page number 1616, chapter number 3, nouns, possession. So let me first, as you all are very familiar with noun, we have studied in the second chapter in detail. So let me tell you what is the meaning of possession. Possession. So what do you understand by the word possession? आपने इतनी देर वीडियो देखा, you must have guessed something कि what do you mean by, what is the meaning of possession? Do you know anything about it? कुछ भी पोजेशन को देख के कुछ दिमाग में आ रहा हो कि मैम ने पोजेशन लिखा है तो इसका मीनिंग ये होगा, या हमने जो पिक्चर्स इससे पहले देखी हैं वीडियो में उससे कुछ मतलब निकल के आ रहा हो. सो let me tell you, possession means ownership. Ownership means when something belongs to you or belongs to someone. You can say belongs to someone. Like you can say, for example, this board. This board is in my possession. I am the owner of this board. So you can say, this is Amna's board. This is Amna's board. Here I have written my name with a capital letter because it's a proper noun. And then I have used an apostrophe S to show the ownership of this board. Like this board belongs to me. This is possessive noun. Let me tell you one more example. I'm going to tell you a difference. See, this pen is yours. This pen is yours. If I ask you that if the sentence is correct or not, because yours is used here, आप कहेंगे apostrophe S है, sentence is wrong. Why? Because the word here is not a noun in itself. ये noun नहीं है और हमें sentence ना possessive noun बनाने के लिए noun की ज़रूरत होती है, वरना वो possessive noun नहीं बन पाता. Like this is Shakti's pen. This sentence is correct. Why the sentence is correct? Because the word here Shakti is a noun. That's why we have added an apostrophe S to show the belongings. ये पेन है, ये शक्ति को belong करता है. So this is the difference. Like possessive noun के लिए वहाँ पर noun का होना ज़रूरी है. Noun यानी there has to be a person, place, animal. For example, take example number 1. The brother of Amita. If I ask you to change it into possessive noun, how you will do it? First, take noun Amita. Amita. And as per the rule of apostrophe S, in the noun added, write down apostrophe S. Amita's. Amita's what? Brother. So the meaning of the sentence, this and this are same. आप कुछ भी कह सकते हो. The brother of Amita, Amita's brother. Like you met someone in the party and you will say, he's the brother of Amita. Or in place of using this sentence, you can say, Amita's brother. That will sound, the meaning of the both the sentences will be the same. Let's look at another example. You can say, the dress of my mother. The dress of my mother. Here, mother is a person, noun. We can write mother. To show that the dress belongs to my mother, I will write mother apostrophe. I will add an S and say mother's dress. It is that much simple. Let's look at some more examples. For example, the house of Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta is a noun. We'll take it. Mr. Gupta's. What we are showing it, क्या इनके possession में है? House. Mr. Gupta's house. There are certain rules while we are using apostrophe S. So look at the board very carefully. While changing it by adding apostrophe S, any kind of noun, there are some certain rules for adding apostrophe S. Rules are rules of adding apostrophe and S. These are examples why one noun is in singular form. We add apostrophe S to show possession in singular noun, singular form. जिस भी नाउन का सिंगुलर फॉर्म होता है उसमें हम सिंपली क्या करते हैं, बिना कुछ करे वी एड apostrophe and S. For example, आस्था. Astha dress. To show possession, what we will do? We will write apostrophe and S. Astha's dress. Astha singular noun. We have added apostrophe S to show the ownership of this dress. That is Astha's dress. For example, Preeti. Preeti is singular. It's a singular noun. She's a person. Preeti dog. To show the possession, the ownership of this dog to Preeti, we will add apostrophe S. Preeti's dog, which means the dog belongs to Preeti. The owner of the dog is Preeti. So while we are changing the noun by adding apostrophe S, in singular noun we just add apostrophe and S, nothing else. Second rule of using apostrophe after people's name that end in S. There are certain names which end in S. For example, you can say Harris. The noun here ends with S. Here we will not add apostrophe and S again. ये S से end हो रहा है, उसके बावजूद हम apostrophe S नहीं लगाएंगे. जो भी नाम S से end हो रहा होता है, जो भी noun S से end हो रहा होता है, उसके लिए एक different rule है, and that is we will simply add an apostrophe at the end of the noun that ends with S. Simple. Harris pen. That also shows the belonging of this pen to Harris. Like Jules. The name of the person here is Jules. It ends with S. So there is no need to write an apostrophe S again. We will simply add an apostrophe. Jules box. That the box belongs to Jules. So we studied about singular nouns. Singular nouns में हम apostrophe S लगा देते हैं. Then we read about the second rule, that is कि जो भी noun S से end होता है, हम simply उसमें apostrophe लगा देते हैं. Nothing else. We do nothing else. We just add an apostrophe. That's it. For the words which end, for the nouns which end with the S. Third rule of using apostrophe is with the plural nouns. How we use apostrophe with plural nouns. Plural noun means they are already the S are already added. So here, for example, you say girls high school. Girls high school. So here again the noun is in plural form. We will not write, it is very similar to the second rule. We will not write apostrophe S again. We will simply add an apostrophe here. This is for the plural nouns. Like teachers. Teachers. The noun is already in plural form. There is no need to add an apostrophe S again. We will simply add an apostrophe. Teachers book. Right? If I say Father's Day, this Father's Day, it is already written in plural form. I am not going to add an apostrophe S to show the possession that this day belongs to the fathers. This is the Father's Day. I will simply add an apostrophe to denote that this is a possessive noun. So like in the third rule we have discussed, like if the nouns are ending with the noun. So here the fourth rule of using apostrophe and S after plural nouns that do not end in S. Third rule क्या था? Third rule में हमने क्या याद किया था कि the nouns which end with S, like the plural ones, we do not add an extra apostrophe S to show possession. We just add an apostrophe. Here this is the fourth rule where the words are plural and they do not end with an S. Like children. Children is a plural noun and it does not ends with an S. So what we will do, we will add an apostrophe S. Children's laughter. Children's laughter. Children is a plural noun. It does not end with the S. So we will write apostrophe and S. Like women. Women is a plural noun and it does not ends with an S. So we will add an apostrophe S to show possession. Women's magazines. Okay. Men. Men is a plural noun. Wallets. Wallets. To show possession of the wallets, men, it does not end with an S. So we will write apostrophe and S. Okay. That's all I want you to revise this chapter and ask me if you have any doubt in this chapter regarding these 4 rules and whatever I have taught you in the video.